Hi guys, today we're learning about nutritional management of metabolic diseases part 1, in which we'll be learning about diabetes mellitus. Before that we should know what are metabolic diseases. See, metabolic diseases are those disorders or diseases in which various reactions in the cells are affected. That means production of energy or utilization of energy is affected, mainly due to production or abnormal production or stoppage of the hormones or deficiency of enzymes. Okay, in that, for example, we will know energy production of energy means energy is produced in the form of ATP. Energy, how energy is produced, its energy is in taking in the form of carbohydrates. Okay, and carbohydrates, proteins and fats. Main energy giving blocks are carbohydrates, which are carbohydrates, mainly sugars. Okay, uh, in diabetes we'll see the abnormal production of hormone. Which hormone? Insulin. Or complete stoppage of, in some people we will see complete stoppage of insulin. Those people have trouble in utilization of energy. Means the sugar, when we take the sugar into the body, that is in the form of carbohydrates, that is simplified into glucose. Okay, this glucose will be entered or taken up by our cell, every cell, by insulin, with the help of insulin. If insulin is not produced, this glucose, they are unable, the cells are unable to take up the glucose. The receptor is unable to take up the glucose that is in the blood, so it lead to increased blood sugar level, which is commonly called as diabetes. Metabolic disorder, it is characterized by decreased inability of tissue to utilize carbohydrate. As I previously told you, simply diabetic mellitus means it is a type of metabolic disorders in which there will be decreased ability or total inability of tissue to utilize the carbohydrates from the blood. So when it happens, what will happen? The blood glucose level is increased or surplusly increased in the blood glucose level. And as cell has, as I said, it is characterized by decreased ability of tissue to utilize carbohydrates. What will the cells do? They will, for energy, as they require, continuously require energy, they will metabolize the non-carbohydrate materials. Those are proteins and fats. As a result, there will be shift in the fat and protein metabolism, which leads to electrolyte imbalance. It is mainly due to absence of insulin. Not only absence of insulin, it is also due to its deficiency or ineffectiveness. As I said, energy, body requires energy, continuous energy, which is given by energy giving. As I previously said, cells continuously need energy. Energy is mainly given by energy. Main source of energy in the body is carbohydrates. In the absence of carbohydrates only, proteins and fats undergo metabolism and gives energy. But in this case, Sugars are available, carbohydrate is available. As we know, blood sugar level is increased, but the cells are unable to utilize the carbohydrate material, so they, for energy, in search of energy, they will metabolize the protein and fat, which results in electrolyte imbalance. As I said, diabetes mellitus is the result. Diabetes mellitus is the result of improper or deficiency of insulin. This disorder is mainly caused by three important causes. First, absence of insulin. Insulin is absent, means completely insulin is absent. Second, it deficiency, means it will from the birth it's not absent, it's absent after a few period of time, or it's just that it is given only small amount of time. That is, if insulin has to be produced per if you say it's like a water, if 100 ml water is required for your body, but you are taking or you are